Okay guys, I'm up here on Mount Wilson checking out the HD-808 number 11 jumbo camera, and I have drilled a small hole right next to the microphone to see if we can get rid of the muffled audio. So we're going to give this a try and compare it to the old audio when I was up here again. So we're going to walk around the top of the mountain here and see if we can find somebody to talk to and check it all out. So come on along. Hello.
Hi.
Just testing a little video camera here.
What's up?
Testing video camera.
That one?
Oh, yes.
Cool. I'll be on
Hi.
tonight.
You will be on YouTube, okay?
On YouTube, okay, thank you. Right.
Okay.
I'll be international tonight, huh?
You be a star. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Trying out a little video camera here.
Oh, okay. Hi. Do you know where the observatory is?
Yeah, you can walk down that road right there, over there. That's the most level one.
Okay.
But you could have gone to the top and then to the back parking lot and then down that way too.
Oh, okay. How far is it?
A quarter of a mile. It's not very far. It's fairly level too, so it's not a bad walk.
So, why do you have a video camera on your head?
I'm just testing the audio on it.
Oh, okay.
I've actually had this for about 6 months, but the audio was always a little bit muffled, so I drilled a little hole in the front right next to the microphone for it. So I want to see if it works any better.
Okay. And so this is to take video of your walks or your hikes?
In the hikes, I use it for hockey and all kinds of just almost anything.
Okay.
It's a real neat little camera, and you can use it just almost anywhere.
Oh, wow. Interesting. So then you have movies of hockey?
And then I put it on YouTube.
Oh, okay.
So I can put you on YouTube right now.
Oh, all right. So if I want to look at one of your YouTube films, where do I go? What do I put
If
in?
you could remember, it's the Shooting Star 31.
The Shooting Star 31. Okay, great.
No spaces, all one phrase.
Shooting Star 31. Great.
Okay.
So you can put us on YouTube then.
Well, I can, and I will. How's
Okay.
that? So you'll see it on there eventually.
Okay, very
You can
good.
probably search for, I don't know, something like Mount Wilson hiking video,
Okay.
or something like that, or Mount Wilson camera test, or something like that.
Okay.
But if you just go to the Shooting Star 31 channel, you'll see it on there as soon as I get it on.
Okay. Fun.
Okay.
Great. All right. Hope it works.
Okay. We have a good day, huh?
You too.
Okay, well that's a good test. So I think we're done with our test right now, and we'll go back and have a look at it and see if we did indeed improve the audio by drilling that small hole in the front right next to the microphone. Well, thanks for viewing.